In this ticket walkthrough, we will cover how to install and configure Tikit. So to start, we will open up the Microsoft Teams application. Either the web or desktop version will work just fine, and we will install the Tikit app. So let's go ahead and we're going to go to Apps in the bottom left here, and then we're going to search for Tikit. We see we have our Tikit app here. We select that, and we have the option to add, and this will install it for our user. And so the Tikit app, we have the user scope, which is for each analyst or admin installing Tikit for their own. And then we have the team scope, where the Tikit app is installed to a team for managing your analysts or seeing like a triage channel or support groups. So that is for the team context versus the personal user context. So first things first, we're going to hit add here, and that will install Tikit for this user. And so we see that we are talking Tikit for the first time here, and it's asking us if we are an admin. For this step here, we're just going to, if we are an M365 admin with this current user, we'll select I am an M365 admin. If we are not, we can share this link with our admin. So I'm going to go ahead and select I am a M365 admin. Okay. And then here we're going to select Authorize and Set Up Tikit. And so when we select that, it'll forward us to the sign up website. We will log in as our admin user. And then here's where we're going to be asked for permissions. Go ahead and hit accept. Okay, so here we are in the setup wizard. So when setting up Tikit, you have a few options. One, you can add Tikit to an existing team, and another, you can add it to a new team. So you can we can do some of the heavy lifting for you and create a team on your behalf. And so if we go back to teams real quick and go to our team section, I have created this help desk team, and that's where I will be adding in Tikit. And so if this team as well, we're going to choose existing team, and then next, and then go ahead and find help desk right here. And so if we were to choose new team, then we would just pick a new name and then start typing in who we want to be members of that team. But in this case here, we have an existing team. So select that, make sure help desk is chosen. Perfect, hit next. And then for our accounts, the admin that provisions Tikit or sets it up will be the first admin in Tikit. And if you'd like to add additional admins, you can do that now. Otherwise, you can select I am the only admin and just skip the step. If the admin account has an email address that is on Microsoft.com, we will ask to confirm that that's a valid email. This just helps when it comes to sending notifications out to you, whether it's billing or subscription-based emails, those kind of related ones that you may find important. And so if you are good to go, you can go ahead and hit I will roll the dice, skip this step. Okay, so at this point, I have selected to add Tikit to an existing team and to not add any additional admins. So we will hang tight, and Tikit will do the heavy lifting for us to add Tikit to that team. Now that we've finished the setup wizard, we can go ahead and close this tab and head back to Teams. So in Teams, we look at our help desk team. We see that the tickets channel has been added. We have a set of tickets added in here as well. So some pre-populated ones going to help you get onboarded. And then we can confirm a few extra bits that we did for the heavy lifting. If you go to the Tikit personal app here, your chat, we'll see that we've updated you just where you're at right now, where we added it, help desk to the team. We assigned help desk team members and some permissions, and we created the triage channel. So go ahead and select Get Started, and that will show you a Get Started guide and just some general getting started bits here just to teach you a little bit more about like message actions. So if you want to turn a message into a ticket, use a message to add a reply to a ticket, or train your knowledge base, you can use those. Some other bits when it comes to adding tickets, whether you use like the message extension with Tikit to select and search for tickets and add new tickets immediately. And just kind of go through the list here, kind of getting you up and working in Tikit. And you can always show this message again by saying Get Started to Tikit. So, okay, let's head back to the team, and we confirm that we have our triage channel set. And if we go to Manage Team and then Apps, we'll see that Tikit has been added here. And then now that we are all set up, we can go to the Tikit web app and log in and do some configuration now. So let's go to the Tikit web app. We'll log in with our admin account. Okay, so here we have the web app. We see that we are logged in as our admin, and we have a whole slew of settings we can go through and configure. If we go to security, we'll see that we have our administrators with the admin account that provisioned is set as the only admin so far. If you want to map another team or specific users, you can hit add map role to do that. And if we go to analyst here, we see that we have our help desk team. So when we did that heavy lifting, we added Tikit to the team and we mapped those analysts to this role. So when you have your team here, your members, when they log in or interact with teams, Tikit through Teams, whether it's through the triage channel or they install Tikit or help on what have you, they will be registered as analysts versus just the end users. And that includes if they go to log on to the web app as well, they will be able to use the analyst features versus just seeing the request dashboard to see their own tickets. Okay, so in this video walkthrough, we covered the Tikit onboarding process where we install Tikit from scratch. We set up and configured adding Tikit to a team, setting the triage channel, setting up our analysts. We take a look at getting into the web app, seeing who is configured for admins and analysts as well, and just a general overview of getting onboarded with Tikit.